औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। क्लास 11 फिजिकल एजुकेशन ऑफलाइन क्लास। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है दैट इज द इफेक्ट्स ऑफ ओबेसिटी ऑन द हेल्थ ऑफ एन इंडिविजुअल। व्हाट इज द इफेक्ट्स ऑफ ओबेसिटी ऑन द हेल्थ ऑफ एन इंडिविजुअल? हाउ ओबेसिटी इफेक्ट्स द इंडिविजुअल? इफेक्ट्स ऑफ ओबेसिटी ऑन इंडिविजुअल। अगर हम देखेंगे इंडिविजुअल इज इफेक्टेड ड्यू टू द ओबेसिटी, बोथ फिजियोलॉजिकली भी और साइकोलॉजिकली भी, by the different methods, both psychologically and physiologically. A person is involved. How it's a person is involved? Because obesity affects by this and that way, both physically and psychologically obesity affected. अगर हम physiologically बात करेंगे, obesity is only the manifestation. It affects the effects of obesity on an individual. Obesity affects an individual in two types. एक तो physiologically body के लिए, दूसरा it involves us mentally भी involve करता है. Number first, अगर physiologically हम बात करेंगे, obesity is the only manifestation of malnutrition, but it is a disease in itself. It's not the manifestation of malnutrition. It does not affect on health, but it also makes the different kind of disease in health. It's determinant to health and is the cause of increased incidence of diseases and deaths. It may physiologically क्या effect कर सकता है? It's a disease itself and it involves a person into other different diseases. जैसे कि it increase the incidence of disease and deaths. Medical data and research prove that obesity is the main cause of different kind of diseases. जैसे कि the obesity can cause the disease that's diabetes, gallbladder diseases, abdominal hernia, osteoarthritis, जैसे कि joints में pain, बाकी चीज joints में pain. It's low fertility among the women. It's also the cause of hypertension. It's also cause of the cardiac alignments. It's also the cause of kidney disorders. It's also the cause of respiratory disorders. There are so many diseases that are caused by the obesity. Obesity itself is a disease, but it involves a person into other different diseases. The different diseases are, जैसे कि maximum times a person feels overweighted, and it also affects their joints. It also affects their because of the heavy weight on our foot, on our legs. It can cause the disease of arthritis, जिसको बोलते हैं osteoarthritis, या diabetes, hypertension. It narrows the जो हमारी veins होते हैं, it narrows them, it shrinks them whenever there is increase in our adipose tissue. When there is increase in our cells, when there is increase in the number of cells, increase in the enlargement of the cells, it causes the different kind of disease and disorders in our body. So obesity has the effect on our health of an individual. It causes different disease and disorders. It causes different incidents, diabetes or hypertension, low fertility. Number two, psychological. Two types of factors effects. एक तो physiologically means it affects the body. How obesity affects on our body? हमारी body पे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा effect करता है. वो कैसे करता है? Simply ऐसे करता है कि it causes different kind of disease. As obesity is itself a disease, but it causes much more disease. और भी ज़्यादा disease से create करता है. जैसे कि arthritis overweight से हो जाता है, या हमारे जो veins होते हैं, arteries होते हैं, वो shrink हो जाती है. It increase the blood flow, that's pressure बन जाता है हमारी रगों में. Hypertension, it causes hypertension. कार्डिक अलाइनमेंट, हार्ट में भी जब फोर्स नहीं पहुंच पाता है, फोर्स उतना ज़्यादा फ्लो नहीं होता है, तो उसे या रेस्पिरेटरी इट श्रिंक्स, मतलब हमारी कोई लंग्स इन्वॉल्व करते हैं, दैट श्रिंक्स. इट कॉज ओवरवेट, कॉज सिंपली लो ब्रीथिंग, रेस्पिरेटरी डिसऑर्डर्स, किडनी डिसऑर्डर. नंबर टू, एक तो ये फिजियोलॉजी हमारी बॉडी को ये इफेक्ट करता है. नंबर टू, इट ऑल्सो कॉजेज डिसऑर्डर्स एंड इट ऑल्सो इफेक्ट्स साइकोलॉजिकल, बोथ मेंटली एंड फिजिकली भी. मेंटली भी ये हमें क्या करता है? इफेक्ट करता है. फिजियोलॉजिकली ओबेसिटी कैन हैव सीरियस इफेक्ट्स ऑन वन सोशल एंड पर्सनल लाइफ. एक तो ये हमें डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ डिजीजेस में इन्वॉल्व करता है, दूसरा ये होता है कि ये हमारी सोशल लाइफ और पर्सनल लाइफ में भी प्रॉब्लम करता है. An obese person has to bear unpleasant adjustment, unpleasant behavior, unpleasant effect of his personality. जब भी किसी से बात करेगा, he will not give him the good response. People of the society will try to distract himself from him, try to avoid him. मतलब unpleasant effect to adjustment उसके हो जाती है. He feels aloneness. He feels difficult in adjusting himself with the healthy people, with the fit person. He cannot participate in games and sports. He cannot participate in ground with others. He cannot compete. He feels low self-esteem. He feels depression. He feels aloneness. It affects us. That means it affects us both. एक तो physically affect ही करता है, accumulation of different kind of diseases. Number 2, it affects us mentally भी. हमारी mental activity भी इसमें, हमारी psychological health भी इसमें involve हो जाती है. मतलब वो the man who has obesity, the man who is obese, मतलब feels like something that the habit of remaining alone, वो alone रहता है, low self esteem होता है, depression होता है. There are so many factors that is caused by the obesity. Obesity तो एक health पे disorders disease करता है create. Number 2, it also creates so many problems like disorder, low self-esteem, unpleasant adjustment, ineffective behavior of his friends, ineffective behavior with his healthy fit person. There are so many basic reasons that affects the obesity of an individual, that affects both physically and mentally भी affect करती है. That's why obesity is a very very curse and it should be treated with the different. कल हम पढ़ेंगे how we can avoid and the different kind of methods by which we can avoid the obesity.